Good day, everyone. Let's learn about ABM strands. Have you ever wondered what make a business thrive or how financial decisions are made that keep companies successful? Let's discover what is ABM strands, what key areas of focus, why is ABM valuable? What is ABM? The ABM strand is a part of the senior high school curriculum designed for students who are interested pursuing careers in accountancy, business, economics, and management. It equips students with the essential skills and knowledge needed to understand financial systems, business operations, and strategic management. Key areas of focus. First, accountancy and finance. ABM students learn the basic of accounting principles, financial statements, budgeting, and taxation. These skills are crucial in understanding how businesses manage their finances and ensure profitability. Business management. This area focuses on how businesses are managed effectively, including topics like organizational behavior, marketing strategies, and operational management. ABM students get a comprehensive view of running a business. Entrepreneurship. The strand encourages creativity and innovation, helping students understand what it takes to start and run a successful business. It covers everything from business planning to market research and financing. Economics. Students are introduced to the principles of micro and microeconomics, providing insights into how economic factors affect businesses and individual financial decisions. Why is ABM valuable? First, career opportunities. Graduating from ABM Strand opened doors to various careers in accounting, auditing, banking, finance, marketing, business consulting, and even entrepreneurship. Practical skills. The knowledge gained in ABM is highly practical and applicable in the real world. Students learn how to handle financial transactions, create business strategies, and manage companies' resources effectively. Foundation for college. For those pursuing higher education, ABM serves as a solid foundation for degrees in business administration, accountancy, finance, and economics, among others. In conclusion, the ABM strand not only provides the technical skills necessary for a career in business and finance, but it also fosters critical thinking, leadership, and decision-making abilities. It is an ideal choice for students who are passionate about shaping the future of business and want to make an impact in a corporate world. And that's all. Thank you for listening. By the way, I am Jewel Kilaude. I am studying under of Accountancy, Business and Management strands. EBM is not just about numbers and management. It is about shaping the future of business and I'm eager to be part of it.